Welcome to Kimbo's Crafts. Today I am going to go over packing my traveler journal pouch. It's something I've been looking forward to doing, but waiting for a trip. So here it is. I'm going to be using the Delfonics medium pouch, utility pouch. I got this a little while ago, just part of this whole preparation for getting one of these together. And I have been looking forward to packing it. This is going to be a small trip that I'm going on. Mainly it's actually a work trip within my country, so luckily I don't have to pack very light because it's going to be a very quick trip. I've got plenty of room to use my pouch. I also think I'll use it for around the house, just having some journaling things together I can grab and go to a cafe or something nearby also. So this is the Delfonics pouch. They're pretty popular. They have an unbelievable amount of pockets. I got yellow because they didn't have orange, which is my favorite color, but yellow is a good close second. It's got more pouches than I think I have a use for, but most importantly, it will fit my traveler's notebook, which is of course my journal and kind of a traveler's journal at the same time. So real quick and easy, that is going to fit right in there. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. See, in fact, there's plenty of room in here. I'm pretty sure you can fit an A5 notebook. So, for example, I haven't gotten a notebook in my cover here yet, but this is an A5 cover from Archer and Olive, and a cover being slightly bigger than an A5 notebook, I'm pretty confident it could get in here. Maybe a little tall. Okay, but it definitely fits a traveler notebook perfectly. Something I'm definitely going to need will be my pens. And these are good size pen pockets here. Probably bring, I do prefer my gold gel pen. It'll fit in here right next to the other one. And then my glue pen. I've got these in different sizes. In fact, I think the big one, the barrel size, will fit in here, which is fantastic. Maybe I'll bring that instead. This one can glue down bigger objects because it has a chisel tip to it. You can also get those small ones. Will it fit? Yes, it will. Wish I had a longer clip to kind of grab onto that edge though. Now, let's see. Another thing I want to bring is my photo printer. This is my travel photo printer. It comes in this pouch, which is pretty clunky, so I think I might take it out of the pouch to pack it. It is a Kodak step printer. This is an older version. There's newer, skinnier ones out there. It prints with zinc photo paper. So here's a refill of zinc photo paper, which I'll also want to pack. I don't know how much is actually in here right now, so I want to make sure I have extra. Plus we have room. So that'll go in here. Now, as a zinc photo printer, it doesn't have ink. It just, I think it's a light printer. It reacts with the paper. So it's good to have the paper. There you go. Now in this set that I got originally, which came with this case, the zinc printer, the cord, which I don't know if the new one is any different, but this has an old kind of style of charger. A lot of them now have USB-C, which I do prefer, and I wish this one did, but it has kind of a proprietary charger, so we're going to want to make sure we have that in case I need to charge it. It also comes with these fun little frames. You kind of peel them out and they go over the top of the pictures. I haven't used them yet. Obviously it's still sealed, but they're really tiny, easy to pack, so I'm going to bring them with. You never know. There we go. Now another thing to bring would be some washi tapes. I have this. This is not a washi tape. I think this is PET tape. I do like, you'll see I've cut already pieces. I do like to cut pieces off of it, and it's great for sticking down corners of pictures. It is a little thick for what I'm looking for. So I won't be bringing this necessarily, but I will bring some washi tapes. Here's my little dispenser. I think I'll just bring some florals. It's spring after all. And then, of course, you need your tape in case you're taping any ephemera down. So we'll bring that as well. This, I think that'll go out here. I'll put my washies in there one after another so they don't take out too much bulk. And I will throw in a tiny whiteout. I think I'll put those, I like this Velcro pouch for holding things in. It's probably going to be where I hold extra bulky items, but it doesn't really keep any of these smaller ones from falling out. So I think I'll stick them up here still. I think that's enough on the inside. Another item that I think I will toss in is this Shapes. Now, this is journaling stencils. You can get this from Happy Planner, and they just help you trace little designs, which can be pretty fun. And of course, it's pretty thin, so it's not at all difficult to pack. Right. I have not gotten my watercolor situation put together yet, but at some point I will have my little travel watercolor. I'll show you the project I'm making for how I'm going to take those small watercolor pans and put them in a more travel friendly way. I have yet to do that, but that'll probably go in here. And then I need to get one of those kind of wet pen brushes to go along with it, and that will go here. So that's for a later travel trip. I think this will start me out pretty good. Maybe I'll throw in, for the time being, some Sharpie pens. I do like them. They're very thin. They don't bleed through very bad. They are archival quality because they're Sharpie, so they last a long time, and they'll add a little bit of interest to my writing. Okay. Stay tuned. I'll probably share how this goes to work with you, and we can see if there's any differences, any changes that need to be made. Let me know if you have a Delfonics pouch, traveler notebook, anything like this, if you've ever packed for a traveler journal. This is a new fun adventure for me, and I'd love to hear some advice. Thank you.